Good morning, everyone. I'm Sandra Habana, and welcome to Course 5. So yes, today, let me see. Oh, everybody's here. So, how are you guys? Okay. So, let's start. Okay, what's your favorite weather and season? Okay, Joanne. Summer! Really? Why do you like summer? Oh, you like swimming. Okay, nice. Awesome. So, how about you, Carol? Oh, you like cold weather. Yes. Okay, why do you like cold weather? Excellent. Because you can ski. That's correct. Okay. Oh, how about you, Amy? Okay. Oh, you're so romantic. Okay, you like autumn? Because, yes, you feel that it's romantic season. Okay. So, yes. We have vocabulary words here. So, okay. What's the first one? Clouds, right? So, what are clouds? Right. If the sky, yes, is blue, so there are these white color clouds. Okay. Season. Yes, we just talked about season. Okay, so we have spring, yes, summer, fall or autumn, and winter. Okay. Temperature. Hey, what is temperature? Anyone? Okay. Yes, Anna. Yes. When we want to measure, okay, when it's hot and we want to measure how hot it is, and sometimes we use Celsius, degrees Celsius, or Fahrenheit. Okay. Tropical. Yes. Some people enjoy tropical places. Okay, yes, Jimmy. What is tropical? That's correct. Okay, where you can drink coconut juice. Wow, yes. Very good weather if you like summer. Okay. And beaches, so related to tropical. Right. So, yes, when we want to swim, okay, we go to the beach. Okay. So yes, today we're going, or we will read and write what it is like in different places in the world. Okay. So here are some photos here. What do you see here? Right. This is a desert place. Okay. Alright, Rachel. Yes. 4 seasons. Correct. Okay, excellent. How about this one? Okay, yes. Go ahead, Elena. Okay, so yes, this is a mountain place. Okay. So, I'm going to write here. Okay, so I'd like you to group yourselves into 4. Yes. Okay, yes, go ahead. Okay, 4. Yes, 4. 4. Okay. So now, get your notebook and write this down on your notebook. I would like to go to. Okay, so yes, form a circle. Okay, yes, form a circle. Form a circle. So yes. So the first person, that's you. Okay, you have to write this. Complete this. I would like to go to. Okay, tell about the place you would like to go to. And then, yes, I'll give you 1 minute to say anything about that place. And then, after 1 minute, you have to give your notebook to the person on your right. And then that person will complete the story. So, okay, I'll give you that I'll give that person 1 minute again to complete the story. So yes, anything. So it's up to you what you want to say in the story. So keep on writing there, continue. Okay, and then after 1 minute, okay, turn this notebook again to the person on your right until you receive it back to you and finish the story. Okay, so yes, go ahead, write anything, complete this, and then give the notebook on the person on your right. Oh yes, you're doing good. Excellent, excellent. Okay, yes. So, now that you finished, okay, you finished, you received your own notebook, okay, and then complete the story. So, yes, we still have time, alright. Okay, with this group, alright, who's your representative? Alright, I want to hear that story there, okay. Oh, that's a good place. Really? Nice. Wow, you're good at making a story. Okay. Wow, see? You can make a story by creating or writing anything next to that sentence or next to what the other person wrote on the notebook. Oh yes, that's great. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so yes, that's all. Thank you so much.